And when we were growing up in economics, we were taught about the economies of scale, which meant that he or she, as a country may be referred to, who can produce at the cheapest and best should be allowed to do so. And so while we in Africa, for example, were selling natural resources, which was quite easy to do, the developed economies were busy involved in manufacturing and producing all the products that we consume. And over the years, they basically worked on their tax system to make sure that they had sufficient revenue. And because at a point in time, there was a great demand for natural resources. Africa as a continent, for example, we have gold, we have tin, we have oil, whatever commodity that comes from the ground, we have it.
Yes.